What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about 4 passive income streams, the best passive income streams that you can do online today. And not only that, I'm actually going to jump into my computer and show you the results, the exact results. And not only that, I'm going to show you how I'm actually getting the passive income, how I'm making the money. A lot of people don't really show you that. They'll show you some results, but I'm going to break it down and show you the 4 passive income streams in my computer right here so you can understand how passive income works. Now, passive income, there's kind of like a lot of misconceptions about passive income and a lot of confusion. So passive income is when you put in some work and then you make money down the line. So let's say you put in some work to purchase a property, you do the property up, and then eventually you get rent from that property and you don't do any work and you get money in return. That's passive income. So these passive income sources, I did work previously. Some of them could have been 6 months ago, a year ago, and now they're making me money every single day without me doing any work. So there'll be people in the comments like, that's not passive income, but it really is. These are truly passive income streams, the 4 best ones that I'm doing right now that make me true passive income. I do not do any work anymore to make this money. And I just love sharing this stuff to help you understand passive income, because once you know, a lot of people don't get past the hard work stage. They kind of do a little bit and they're, oh, this doesn't work, it sucks, I'm never gonna make any money. But if you just put in the hard work at the beginning and you just wait, you build up these passive income streams and you put in the work, you work a little bit hard at the start, you'll start to see it and it starts to scale up and snowball, and it gets that snowball effect, and then it just grows really, really quickly. So let's jump into my computer and we'll go over these 4 passive income streams. So number 1, guys, is what I call affiliate marketing. Now, I get money from affiliate marketing from different types of streams. So it could be what we call this program called Bluehost, which I'm about to show you, ClickFunnels, and all sorts of other programs that I promote. So I promote these for a commission. So I'm going to show you the top 3 that have made me the most money in the last 30 days. So this one here is called Bluehost.com, and what this is Bluehost is a platform where people go and host their websites, right? So if someone wants their website, they go and pay Bluehost money, and then I get a commission when they sign up. I get $125 per sign up. And as you can see here, we've got 13,400. Let's do a refresh, hopefully. Yeah, so 13,400. And that is in the last September to the 30th. So that is in 30 days. So that's $13,000 from one affiliate marketing stream. And then how did I actually get that money? How did I make that money? So I have a blog. This is one of my blogs. I have quite a few. And this is a blog post called How to Start a Successful Blog and Grow It for Free. And if we go down, I actually have a thing here that says, hey, we'll give you a free course on how to create a blog, right? And this is all automatic. They put in the email, they get sent out the free course. Now, the free course took me 2 days to complete. So that's what I'm talking about when I put in the work before, and now I'm reaping the rewards. This is all organic traffic. People are coming in, they're signing up, they're giving me their email address, they're getting sent the course all automatically without me doing anything. And then they go and start their website, and what happens is some people will actually click on this link here and I'll get a commission, but most of the people are going through this actual link. Now, if you've seen some of my older videos, my Bluehost commissions were quite low. Well, this new email course has boosted them up quite a lot. It's almost doubled them. So just doing little tweaks like that really does help you grow your passive income. And so, yeah, that's one of the affiliate marketing passive income streams. Another one is called ClickFunnels, where I promote a funnel building software. Now, $12,000 in the last 30 days from this one as well. It's quite high, it's over $10,000. And this is from a website called 5funnel.com. I'm showing you everything, guys. This is all live, it's real. This is a live website. You can even go check it out if you like. And down here, there's links on the thing here. So if I click on this link here, it takes me to a program where I would get a commission if someone purchased this program. And this is quite a large blog. We have over 200 articles. So it did take a while. I think we built this out in around about 2 months, but I did it a long time ago, over a year ago now, and it's making me very good money. And all the traffic is coming from Google, people searching stuff online. And as you can see, it's got a good, solid content, and it works really, really well. So this is another blog. Now, another passive income stream is Shopify commissions. So I did over $8,000 in the last 30 days. And this is, of course, another blog where I talk about how to create a Shopify store in 12 minutes. And if we scroll down, I'm actually a bit silly. I probably should have a free course in here as well with an email set up like I did in the last one, but I don't, so I'll probably do that eventually when I can be bothered. If we go down here and we click on start a free 14-day trial, it goes to Shopify, and what happens is I get a commission every time someone starts a Shopify store. All right, guys? So this is probably one of my main passive income sources online. Number two is something I really rarely talk about. I don't promote this product anywhere, but I'll tell you how I get the traffic. So this is a product here, $22,000 in the last 30 days. Let me just scroll up. So let me just go here and go last 30 days and do a search. And I just got to block some stuff out because there's a lot of sensitive products on here. This is actually one of my own products that I created. I actually paid someone to create this a long time ago, and $22,000 in the last 30 days. So this is a software, guys, and I've never promoted this software anywhere. You've never seen me promote it anywhere. This is all organic traffic from Google. Now, this is passive because I don't touch anything anymore. I created the product about a year and a half ago. I pay these guys to run everything for me. So I pay around about, I think it's $500 a week. My development firm is overseas, and they charge me very little to run this. They do all the support, they do all the updates, they do everything, right? So the overheads for this software is very, very low. Now, if you want to start a software, you don't have to have any experience at all. I have no idea how to create software. I don't know how to code anything. You can go to a website called upwork.com, and you can literally start a job and ask someone to build the software for you. It's not as expensive as you might think. I got this software created for only $7,000. And then we tweaked it a bit. I probably spent over $20,000 on it now, but when we first started it, it cost me less than $10,000. And that is very, very low for a software. And then we kind of just advanced it out and things like that. So software, guys, is another great way to make passive income, and it's probably one of the best ways to make passive income, because with software, people can come on as a recurring customer. So let's say you sell a software for, I don't know, $50 a month, right? That person keeps paying you $50 per month over and over again. Now, if we go back to the ClickFunnels stuff that I showed you, ClickFunnels, their monthly recurring is $97. So these people are paying ClickFunnels every single month, $97 or more. They have a bigger plan, $300 every single month. And ClickFunnels is worth multiple millions. And most of it's because it's recurring income. People are paying them every single month. So if you do a software, you probably do want to try have some sort of recurring plan in there. This software doesn't. We are going to implement one at some stage, but I'm just quite lazy with that stuff. Why mess with it? It's making me good money. But you want to, if you do software, you do want to put in some sort of recurring aspect. But don't get put off by the word software. You don't need any skills. You can literally outsource everything. You can outsource the design. You can outsource the entire project. You can outsource the support. You can outsource everything, and you don't have to do anything. It's completely passive income. Now, the next passive income, number 3, is something that is quite hard to start at the beginning, and a lot of people give up, but you can't give up, okay? Don't give up, because once you hit a certain point, it works in levels. It just snowballs and snowballs and snowballs, and that is having a YouTube channel. YouTube channels can create very good passive income for you, but you have to get past that hurdle. You kind of have to get to 1,000 subscribers, and when you get to 1,000, YouTube gives you a bit more push in the rank in the algorithm. Then when you get to 10,000, it gives you a little bit more. When you hit like 50,000, it gives you a little bit more. When you hit 100,000, it gives you way more, and it just keeps working like that. So you got to get past those points. Now, this YouTube channel right here has 200,000 subscribers. It's not a lot in the grand scheme of things when you look at how much money it makes. It makes over $17,000 US per month. So if I scroll along here, $500 a day, 700, 600, 700. Now this is all US dollars to me, guys, 73,000 US dollars. I live in another country. This is like $70,000 is about $130,000 to me in my currency. So even though 73,000 is a lot, I'm getting way more than that in my currency. So essentially it's all tax-free for me. I just work it out like that. If I'm making $73,000 in US, it's pretty much tax-free, because it's like plus another 20% is mine, and then the rest of it is all I just pay on tax. So I'm essentially getting $73,000 tax-free in the hand in my currency. So it does work out to be a huge amount of money to me. But yeah, this is YouTube, guys. But the thing is, you must not stop. If you're going to start, do not stop, because one day you'll wake up and it's just snowballed and you've got all of this money coming in. I think about 2 months ago, I wasn't even doing over $10,000. Now I'm doing $17,000 with YouTube. Now the best way, guys, when you're starting a YouTube is to simply go and do videos based on specific keywords, but long tail keywords. So instead of trying to do a video on how to make money online, do a video on how to make money online with Facebook in 2020. It's a long tail keyword. You've got a better chance of ranking in the rankings, and you'll get a small amount of traffic first, but then it starts to snowball over time. But this truly is one of the best ways online right now to get passive income. And a lot of people might be saying, but it's not really passive income because you're putting in work all the time. Most of the videos that are making me this money are actually videos that I did a long time ago. And if I stop doing YouTube for like a month, which I have before in the past, the money still stays the same. So I class this as passive income because I don't really do much work. Like I can do one video that takes me an hour and a half to do and edit, and then I upload it. I don't consider that a lot of work really goes into it. Now, the next passive income stream, guys, number 4, is something that I do, and this is completely, truly passive. Investing. So I invest a lot of money into what we call index funds. I don't day trade. I don't sit around and mess around with that and stress myself out. I don't invest in single companies. And one thing I actually learned from this guy, he's a billionaire, and he told me a long time ago, never invest in a company or a stock that doesn't give you something in return like a dividend. And that's the same with Warren Buffett. If you know who he is, he invested most of his money in companies that give him something in return, which is a dividend. So every 3 months, I get paid a dividend from the index funds that I'm in, and it works out to be around about $2,000 per month that I get in return, and that's excluding any increase in the stock price as well. So if we include that, I probably gained another 8% over the last year, so it could be quite a lot more. But if you're going to go and invest in stocks, play it safe and invest in what we call index funds and funds that just pay you a little bit of money in return, and invest and leave that money in for the next 10 or 20 years, and don't worry about the market going up and down. Just ride it out and you will come out with a lot more money in the end, whether it be 5 years time, 10-year times, or 20 years time. When investing in index funds, most of the professionals recommend that you leave it in there for a minimum of 5 years. Now, what is my favorite passive income stream, guys? My favorite passive income stream is affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I will leave my training below that takes you through step by step on how to start your own affiliate marketing business from scratch. And I've used those strategies to actually go out and build these passive income streams that pay me month on end, over and over again. So I'll leave a link for that below. You can go and check that out. And I also have some free playlists below that you can check out, and we'll take you through affiliate marketing as well. And on that note, I will leave some videos up on the screen that are completely free for you to watch as well. One of them on affiliate marketing, and one of them is a complete playlist on affiliate marketing as well. And if you want to know more, you can check out my training in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash a like on this video, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.